Welcome to iVisa, the best channel for all your travel needs. I'm Dama, iVisa's travel expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the perfect passport photo from home with the iVisa Passport Photos app. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Getting a passport photo can be quite a hassle. You have to find a place that offers photo services such as CVS, Walgreens, or Costco, pay a fee, wait in line, and hope that your photo meets the requirements of your destination country. If your photo is rejected, then you have to do it all over again. Some of the problems that you might encounter when getting your passport photo in person are:
your photo is blurry, grainy, or pixelated. This can happen if the camera is not high quality or if you move while taking the photo. To avoid this, make sure you keep your head still and look straight at the camera. Your photo has shadows or poor lighting. This can happen if you take your photo in a dark or bright environment, or if there is something behind you that casts a shadow on your face. To avoid this, make sure that you have enough natural or artificial light in front of you and that there is nothing behind you that can interfere with the light. Your photo does not match the size, resolution, color, or format requirements of your destination country. This can happen if the photo service does not have the correct specifications for your country, or if they print your photo on the wrong paper or with the wrong ink. To avoid this, make sure to check the photo requirements for your country before you go to the photo service and that you ask them to print your photo according to those requirements. Your photo does not show your face clearly or accurately. This can happen if you wear glasses, hats, masks, or anything else that covers or obscures your face. It can also happen if you smile, frown, or make any other facial expression that alters your appearance. To avoid this, make sure that you remove any accessories that cover your face and that you have a neutral expression with your mouth closed and your eyes open. After you get your passport photo in person, you still have to attach it to your passport application form and mail it to the passport agency or bring it to a passport acceptance facility. This can take time and money and expose you to potential delays or errors. But what if I told you that there is a better way to get your passport photo from home? A way that is faster, cheaper, easier, and more convenient than going to a photo service. A way that guarantees that your passport photo will be accepted by any country in the world. Well, there is, and it's called iVisa's Passport Photo app. iVisa's Passport Photo app is a revolutionary tool that allows you to take your passport photo from home using your smartphone. All you need is a white or off-white background and a few minutes of your time. Here's how it works. To take your passport photo from home with iVisa's Passport Photo app, you have to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it on your smartphone. You will see a list of countries and their passport photo requirements. Select the country you're traveling to and follow the instructions on the screen. You will be guided by voice prompts and visual cues to take a selfie using your smartphone camera or upload a photo from your gallery. The app will automatically adjust the size, resolution, color, and format of your photo according to the requirements of your destination country. You will also be able to crop and rotate your photo until it fits the frame perfectly. The app will also check for any errors or issues with your photo, such as blurriness, shadows, lighting, pose, expression, attire, and accessories. If there are any problems with your photo, the app will alert you and give you tips on how to fix them. Once your photo is ready, you can preview it and confirm it. The best part is that iVisa's Passport Photo app is completely free. You don't have to pay anything to take your passport photo from home with iVisa's Passport Photo app. However, if you want to receive your passport photo by email or get it printed and delivered to your doorstep, you can choose one of the affordable plans. You can also get unlimited access to all our features and services for an affordable one-time yearly fee. That's a great deal compared to other photo services that charge up to $15 per single passport photo. But wait, there's more. iVisa's Passport Photo app is not only for passports. You can also use it to take photos for visas, green cards, driver's licenses, ID cards, and any other official document that requires a photo. You can also use it to take photos for almost any country in the world, not just one you are traveling to. You can also use it to take photos for your family and friends, or even for fun. iVisa's Passport Photo app is the ultimate photo tool for travelers and non-travelers alike. Now let's talk about renewing your passport with iVisa. Renewing your passport with iVisa is a smart and convenient way to get your new passport without any hassle. iVisa is an online platform that offers fast, reliable, and secure secure solutions for all your travel needs, including visas, passports, health declarations, and other travel-related services. iVisa has over 10 years of experience and has helped more than 1.2 million happy customers around the world. Here are some benefits of renewing your passport with iVisa. You don't have to deal with government bureaucracy or complicated forms. iVisa's team of experts will do the hard work for you and ensure an error-free application. You don't have to waste time or money going to a photo service or printing your photo at home, because as you know, you can take it via our passport photo app from home using your smartphone. You don't have to mail your application or go to a passport acceptance facility. iVisa will send you a passport renewal kit that contains everything you need to renew your passport, including a blank check for the US government fee, a prepaid USPS envelope, and a detailed guide on how to complete the process. All you have to do is sign the documents and drop the package at the nearest post office. You don't have to worry about delays or rejections. iVisa will track your application and keep you updated on its status. You will receive your new passport by mail in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. That's it, you're done. You can sit back and relax while iVisa takes care of everything for you. If you have any questions or concerns about renewing your passport with iVisa, you can contact our customer support team anytime. They are available via chat, phone, or email. So what are you waiting for? Download iVisa's passport photo app and the iVisa app today and get your passport photo from home in minutes. You will save time, money, and hassle, and you will have peace of mind knowing that your passport photo will be accepted by any country in the world. Trust me, you won't regret it. Now that you know how to take the perfect passport photo from home with iVisa's passport photo app and how to renew your passport from home, you might be wondering where to go with your passport. Well, I have some suggestions for you. Here are some hidden gems that US citizens can travel to with their passport. These are some of the most beautiful and underrated places in the world that you might not have heard of before. Check them out. These are just some of the hidden gems that US citizens can travel to with their passport. There are many more amazing places that await you around the world. All you need is your passport and your curiosity. And remember, if you need any help with your travel documents and your passport photo, iVisa is here for you. We are the leading online travel platform for travelers who need visas, passports, health declarations, and other travel-related services. We make travel easy and hassle-free by providing fast, reliable, and secure solutions for all your travel needs.
So don't wait any longer. Download iVisa's passport photo app today and get your perfect passport photo from home in minutes. And don't forget to check out our website for more information on how we can help you with your travel documents. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. I'm Dama from iVisa.com, wishing you happy travels. See you next time.